Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You're probably wondering why there's so much stuff on my desk. Well, let me explain. So, keep clicking this button. So much stuff will pop up. And then, there'll be a code. Gives us more stuff. Flip this. We flip that. We get this. Whoa. This stuff's going crazy. There's a goat pooping. And it's showing a bunch of words going up the goat's butt. Oh gosh. Oh, that's nuclear. Nuclear. What's this? 4. We're looking at a bunch of nonsense. Look at the happy face, dead face. What the heck is that? So, 4. So hit this button. No, hit the button. Hit that button 4th. So. Oh my gosh, I entered it right! Okay, guys. I don't have anything to go in there. Oh, I finally get the little reward thing. Okay, sorry guys, not to keep spamming it. Let me cover that. There we go. Oh gosh, I accidentally moved the code. Sorry. Okay. Get that code. Get the code. Okay. 1 3 3 2 2 3 1. There we go. Okay, now I got this. Flip the lever. Wait, unscrew this. Now we unscrew this. We got the code. Open up the hammer because what did I do? What was the code that I typed in, guys? .4. So dot. What? Okay. It makes no sense. But it doesn't have to. Okay. Dot. Come on. What did I do? I did something with this. Okay. Let's keep looking. Numbers. Whoa. This control panel is so weird. Look at every little thingy. So, Okay. I'm just gonna fiddle with them. What the heck? What do I do? Do I smash this? I smash this? Do I screw this? I don't know, guys. I don't want to leave the video. I'm not leaving the video here. Okay. Get a closer look at whatever this is. Morse. Do dot. What the heck is with the dots? Dot. 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 Dot 4. What is like the dot a god or what? In this game or what the heck? Pac-Man! Oh, I get the maze now. I see how there's all those mazes. Pac-Man. Wait. What happens if I hit this 4 times? Yes, you just have to hit the red one 4 times, guys. Then you get to here. Hit the red one 4 times. Okay. Look at it. Dot. Just click the red one 4 times. Anything happen? Not this ending. Oh, this ending. I actually like this ending. We gotta earn back all of our endings. It's always the last button that you click is the answer. See? It's okay. For an example, we'll make that one it. We'll skip every single one. See? It's that one button. For example, we're gonna keep that one right there, that last one right there, out, and we're gonna hit that one last. Guarantee it's gonna be the ending. Oh, what the heck? Okay, guys, sorry that had to happen. Oh no! Okay, let's get back to where we were. No messing around. Enter code. 1111. That's the code. Oh yeah. Gotta enter 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, hit that. Pull the lever. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here's where we get to that we don't know what to do. Oh, I hit that. Now let's see. Let's follow anything leading to this. And it leads to... Okay, what does these lead to? Any codes? You can take my hammer, take the screwdriver. Take this thing. I don't even know why I have it. Okay. What if I retake the code? No. Whoa. Oh, nuke. Boom. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show that. I found it out. It was pretty cool. Maybe in the next episode, we'll actually figure out the ending for the game. Like, for this little thing. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 endings. I think. That's what I just heard. I don't want to count all those dots. Maybe in my free time I will. But yeah. Bye, guys.